Hi folks, welcome to another Chief Steamer video, and for those of you who don't know, I'm Kevin. I'm the guy that might be mentioned out there in certain forums and Facebook and Instagram. So I want to tell you a little bit about myself and why I got into this and what my background is. I've been around cars all my life. I love cars, so I've always fixed cars. I'm very mechanically inclined, and I've always detailed cars. So I was a detailer for a very, very long time, 20 years. I was detailing cars at car dealerships. I went out on my own. I've had a couple of detail shops. I've had guys working for me. I don't necessarily detail cars as a living anymore. I like to detail my own cars. I'll detail friends and family's cars. But I also got to a point years and years ago where I was a detail trainer. So I developed detailed training programs. I went around the country and trained car dealerships. I trained shops. I also developed and implemented the BMW of North America detail training program because their corporate headquarters is right here in New Jersey, not too far from me. So I have a lot of knowledge in detailing, and through that knowledge, that led me to relationships with product manufacturers and getting involved in buffers and buffing pads and different types of equipment, and some of that was steamers. I started using steamers as a detailer before probably 95% of anybody was using steam, and I'm going back probably 16, 17 years ago. I started using steam to aid in cleaning the interiors and then the exterior of cars. So when I say that I know steamers inside and out, I really do. I know steamers. I know how steamers should be built. I know what differentiates a quality steamer from a cheap steamer. So we've always sold commercial purpose steamers. They've always been made out of stainless steel. What we like about them is they're highly repairable. And again, going back to my background, I know detailing. I know what you need and want in a steamer. I know what kind of pressure it needs to be set at. I know how they need to be built. We now know what size hose, what kind of attachments you need. So even though I'm not actively detailing cars anymore, I still know a lot about car detailing, and I certainly know as much or more about steam cleaners. So if you're thinking about a steam cleaner for your car detailing business or any kind of commercial business, look at my machines, look at the videos. Hopefully you'll know that I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for quite a while now, and I think you can have trust in me if you buy one of my machines.